Let's see question number 6. Add a, an, some or any. You have to fill these words in respective blanks. I hope you all can do it easily. I want you all to try by yourselves first. Then I will explain this in the class. Now moving to question number 7. Add someone, anyone, something or anything. In this question as well, you all will be trying by yourselves first. Then only I will explain and discuss this question in the class. I want you all to try by yourselves first. You have to put someone, anyone, something or anything. If you want to know the meanings of these words, then you should consult a dictionary or you should look in dictionary. You will get the meaning of these words and then it will be easier for you to do this exercise. That is question number 7. I hope all of you will be able to do this question number 7. Then I will discuss and explain in the class. Question number 8. That is read aloud. S sound and Z sound. Thick doors need thick locks. Big trees make big logs. I think you all can notice the sound. Locks, logs. Sings, sings. So like this you all have to practice. Locks, logs, locks. Sings, sings, sings. Back, bags, back. If you want, you can use these words in sentences as well. Like they carried the bags on their backs. He picks out the good figs and keeps them, like this. Now coming to question number 9. Revision. Read the examples and change all the sentences in the same way. Means this question you all have done already. You just need to brush up and then you will know how you all have to do it. So I think examples are given. Let's see. Is the water warm? Kumar said to Amitav. So what will be the answer? Kumar asked Amitav if the water was warm. Another example. Can you see the ship? David said to Amit. So answer will be David asked Amit if she, it will be Amita, if she could see the ship. David asked Amita if she could see the ship. Let's see another example. Do you want to buy something? Mrs. Shah said to Maya. Do you want to buy something? Mrs. Shah said to Maya. So what will be the answer? Mrs. Shah asked Maya if she wanted to buy something. In the same, I think you all have got questions like this in your unit test 2 as well. So I think it will be easier for you all to do this exercise. Let's see few questions here. Let's see question number C. Are you asleep? Anu said to Radha. Then what will be the answer? The answer will be Anu asked Radha if she was asleep. Again I am repeating the answer of question number C. Anu asked Radha if she was asleep. Now coming to question number E. Can you help me? Radha said to Peter. So what will be the answer? Radha asked Peter if he could help her. Again, I am repeating the answer of question number E. Radha asked Peter if he could help her. Let's see one more question. Question number H. Do you like singing? Miss Shah asked the girls. I think many of you like singing and many of you are good singer as well. Okay, but here let's see question number H. Do you like singing? Miss Shah asked the girls. So the answer will be Miss Shah asked the girls if they liked singing. Again, I am repeating the answer. Miss Shah asked the girls if they liked singing. So like this, you all have to practice. I know it's a bit tricky, but you all will be able to do this. That is question number 7. Sorry, question number 9. I think you all have observed the pattern as well. So keep practicing.